Hello everyone, today we are going to look at Quinacridone Gold Hue of Daniel Smith. It is made of PY150 nickel Azo Yellow and PO48 Quinacridone burnt orange. It's very beautiful, I use it a lot, even if it's a two color or two pigments blend. I didn't meet the original Quinacridone Gold, the PO49, and I feel it's my loss, but I also like this hue. So we look at the Quinacridone Gold, the Quinacridone Gold Dip, the three mixtures that are made from it, like Quinacridone Sienna, Undersea Green, and Sap Green. There is one more mixed or convenience color that I don't have. It's Hooker's Green, so we won't see it. So let's start. So Quinacridone Gold is made of nickel Azo Yellow, Queen Burnt Orange, and you can see the Quinacridone Gold itself, which is very beautiful color, and the Quinacridone Gold Dip, which has more Queen Burnt Orange in it. Now we will look at the mixtures, the convenience colors of Quinacridone Gold. So Quinacridone Gold, with Quinacridone Coral PR209, which is a very transparent color, will create Quinacridone Sienna, which is also a very transparent color, and I like this mix a lot. Next is Undersea Green, which will be Ultramarine Blue, we'll put it again because the water weren't clean. Okay, so Ultramarine Blue with Quinacridone Gold, will create Undersea Green, a very useful color. And the last mix would be Pyrrole Green blue shade, which is a very staining color, with Quinacridone Gold, which will create sap green, another very useful color. So these are all the mixes. I will let them dry and then write the names. And now we will continue to a watercolor palette that I created from these colors. So the colors I chose for this palette is Nickel Azo Yellow, Quinacridone Gold Hue, Quinacridone Sienna, Pyrrole Scarlet, Quinacridone Rose, French Ultramarine, Manganese Blue U, Pyrrole Green Blue shade, Quinacridone Burnt Orange, Garnet Genuine, Sodalite Genuine, and Lunar Black. As you can see, I didn't put the greens, the convenience greens, because Undersea Green is made of ultramarine blue and queen gold, so I have these two colors here. And sap green is created from Pyrrole Green blue shade and queen gold, so I have both of them here. I wanted the Pyrrole Green to combine it with the queen rose to create neutral tint, and I didn't see a reason why to put two more greens. I wanted to put the Manganese Blue Hue instead of another green. So let's start swatching. So the first color would be Nickel Azo Yellow. As you can see, it is very light when it's diluted, like a cool yellow, and a warm yellow when it's not diluted. And I like this diversity of this color very much. Next will be Queen Gold. I didn't put here Queen Gold Deep because it's quite close to Queen Gold. And also I have in this palette Queen Burnt Orange, so I didn't see any reason to put it. Next would be Queen Sienna, which is a color that I like a lot. I like to mix it with Lunar Black, with Manganese Blue. Next color would be Pyrrole Scarlet, which is a warm red. Pyrrole Scarlet is PR 255. Then is Quinacridone Rose, and then French Ultramarine. I put the French Ultramarine and not the Ultramarine Blue because it's more granulating than the Ultramarine Blue, and I wanted the granulating blues because the Nickel Azo Yellow, the Queen Sienna, the Quinacridone Burnt Orange, and the Queen Gold are not really granulating, maybe a little bit, but not much. So I needed a granulating other colors. Next color we look at is Manganese Blue U, which is PB15. I like to mix it a lot with Queen Sienna and Queen Burnt Orange. It's a very useful color, also with Queen Gold. Next color is Phthalo Green Blue shade. Next color would be Queen Burnt Orange. Garnet Genuine, which I didn't wet enough. The Primatic colors are a bit hard when they are re-wetted, before they're re-wetted. So you need more water before using it. Next would be Sodalite Genuine, which can create a quick black with Garnet Genuine or with Queen Burnt Orange, and it's also very beautiful on its own. And lastly would be Lunar Black, which I like to combine with these colors. We'll see later in the color mixing portion. So let's start the color mixing portion. So the first combinations I would like to look at is Lunar Black with these colors. So we'll start with Nickel Azo Yellow, and actually I like this combination a lot. So you can see it's a beautiful mix. Then we will mix Queen Gold with Lunar Black. Also a mix I like a lot. Then Queen Sienna. I put too much color, so one moment. Queen Sienna. with Lunar Black. Wanted to add more water to the Queen Gold mix. Okay. And I will add more Queen Sienna here to make it more interesting. Next would be Pyrrole Scarlet with Lunar Black, which is a combination I really like. It's a really good one. Other combinations with Lunar Black that I like are Manganese Blue U. That, if I'm not wrong, it's the combination that makes Lunar Blue. Another one would be Queen Burnt Orange with Lunar Black. She's a very good combination. Maybe I can stop it. Maybe. So I did a mistake, as you can see. Let's try it again. Queen Burnt Orange and a bit of Lunar Black. Garnet Genuine with some Lunar Black. She's a very good combination also. And maybe Queen Rose and Lunar Black mixing. Which is interesting. So let's look at them. I really like these mixes. I think that the Queen Burnt Orange, the Garnet and the Queen Sienna with the Lunar Black creates interesting browns to use in landscapes and in urban sketching. So I'll let them dry, then write the names and picture them. Next interesting mixtures would be Manganese Blue U with Queen Burnt Orange It's a mixture I like a lot, and I use it in landscapes a lot to create interesting turquoise greens. Next color combination would be very close, which is the Manganese Blue U with Queen Sienna. Next color would be the Manganese Blue with Queen Rose. You can see the beautiful violets and purples it creates. A combination I also like is the Manganese Blue U and Queen Gold. She creates beautiful, beautiful greens. Combination I wanted to try would be Manganese Blue U with a bit of Pyrrole Scarlet. She's nice. And let's move to other mixes. I wanted to mix Pyrrole Green blue shade with some Quinacridone Sienna. And Pyrrole Green blue shade with some Queen Rose, which will create some neutral tint. I think that Gram's neutral tint is created by this combination. Very beautiful one. And Pyrrole Green with maybe with Queen Burnt Orange. She's also really beautiful. very good combination. So I'll let this dry and then write the names and everything. I wanted to also show you some quick blacks that I can create with this palette. So French Ultramarine with Garnet Genuine. We'll put some more French Ultramarine. It creates a color that is close to black. It's more violetty, but it's close. Another combination would be a really quick black from Sodalite Genuine and Garnet. Another black would be Sodalite Genuine and Queen Burnt Orange. And I think that this mixture creates the blackest black here. I usually prefer to mix black than to use black. I use Lunar Black as a mixing color and not as a black. Another combination would be the neutral tint and that is created from Fatal Green Blue Shade and Queen Rose. And one more combination I wanted to try. I don't know if it will create a black, but I wanted to try it. Would be the Queen Sienna with the Sodalite. And yeah, it creates some kind of black. Put some more Sodalite. Yeah, it's really good combination. I have a little bit more space here, so maybe I will do another combination. Let's see. I think I would like to do the Pyrrole Scarlet and the Sodalite Genuine. I think it creates something interesting. Sodalite Genuine with Queen Gold. We'll put more Sodalite. Well, I don't really like this green. It's too much for me. and Sodalite Genuine. With nickel Azo Yellow. I really like this thing with the nickel Azo Yellow, that it spreads inside another color, so I didn't mix it too much. And yeah, I like this combination a lot. Want to see if the Sodalite will also spread in the nickel Azo Yellow. Yeah, disperse, really beautiful. So thank you for watching. I will later put the photos of these color combinations with all the names. So have a nice time and be well. Bye.